Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Rishi here, so I'm back after 1 week of YouTube break. So finally, I'm able to making a new video. So as you can see, this is my new room, and of course, I'm going to show you after this. So do you want to see or not? Alright, so let's go. So this is my bed, my pillow, and my router hotspot using the Galaxy A10. Very nice. So this is the curtain, beautiful. Let me show you the outside. So this is how it looks like for the outside. It looks great, very clean place. Wow, nice. So got the plug. And this is my tripod, will be here, just standing on here beside of my PC. So my PC is back too. Very nice. Now the performance is really fast. I just upgraded from the 2GB of RAM through the 6GB of RAM. So I've replaced the SSD. Now it's working very well. And this is the charger place. Also on that one, my microfiber cloth, the cute one, my bag, and this is the base of my cloth, my pants, over here including the cap, umbrella, also in this side of the bag. So the favorite thing on here. So not all phones I bring on here, just some of them, and some of the phones still on my previous house. So I will bring it here slowly. So this is the phone that I have on here, just a little cover and some stuff on there. And my stuff, my key, my watch. And this spray is for sanitizer all of my phone and the cloth too. My carpet. This is door. My towel. And the fan switch for controlling the speed. That's the fan. And for the light, for the fan, for the air condition, it still works, but I want to know now because it just comes out without any of cool, so it need to be serviced. A wood, beautiful door. My dirty cloth plastic over here, and this is for the trash. And my mirror, very nice. Hi. So that's it. This is my room. This is how it looks like for the student room. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for I'm back in the comment below. Anything, just comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.